Are you ready for Kauai?
I'm so excited for Kauai.
We are on our way to Kauai.
Flight attendants, please be seated.
Well, we made it to Kauai, and already I can tell you it's beautiful. And I will tell you, it is not every day that you see roosters when you are going to get your rental car. And it's awesome because it's yellow. Look at that, it matches Amy's sweater. So we have not a whole lot planned for the day other than just actually have some downtime at the resort. We're headed to the Koakea for some pool time, beach time, lunch time, drink time, and sun time. This car is so new, it even comes with plastic. It's the little things, right, Amy?
Right. Or maybe
it doesn't take much.
Or maybe it's their clean policy because the car looks used. Just saying.
That could be.
Just saying.
How smart are you?
Pretty smart.
Oh yay, air conditioning!
Woo!
All right, so this is our room. We just checked into the Koʻa Kea Hotel and Resort, and it is really, really beautiful and very Polynesian. And we have two really cool beds, so separate beds, so she'll still be able to hear me snore.
Yay!
But really cool with the jellyfish and the hot pink, very super comfortable. And then outside, we have the Lanai. How cool is that? And I close the door because I like air and Amy likes sweat. Bye! And so here's the balcony, and literally, we're right on the Pacific. How cool is that? So when you get in, and our stuff is all over the bed, so forgive me because I am like so tired, but super cool that your keys are actually these wooden keys, which you can keep around your wrist unless you're Amy, who loses everything. Just kidding. That won't make the cut, or will it? And your wooden key actually opens up the lock, which is kind of interesting. Upon arrival, we got 2 little free Mai Tai coupons, which is exactly what I was in the mood for. And on your doorknob is this really cool beaded bracelet looking thing that says privacy please. So if you want privacy, you put this on. On your bed you have a really cool like Polynesian style flower with these really cool beads that you can wear, like a beaded lei. So really, really cool. So Amy's already picked out her spot.
Yes, by the ocean. I want to hear the waves and smell the ocean and look at the surfers because I can't wait to get Mark to take a surfing lesson with me.
Yes. Oh yeah, masks on because COVID, right? I mean, like, are you guys not over that? Because I know we are. But they're bringing the luggage to the room. You've got to get out of the room and go out on the balcony, like little fake quarantine, while they drop the luggage off and then leave. I am so over that.
Hawaii is super strict with COVID
Super strict, but it keeps you super safe, and that's important because we do want to travel.
Yep.
It's what you got to do.
Yep.
And hopefully for not much longer. All right, so basically behind me there is our hotel, and we're literally standing right here on the beach. It's awesome. There's Amy, and it literally comes right up to the hotel. Rough, huh?
Very rough.
But I think that's kind of Hawaii beaches, isn't it? It's warm. Well, the beach is super cool. It's definitely something that we're gonna have to do some snorkeling, but maybe not so rough, huh?
Maybe not.
So first impression of Kauai?
Spectacular, stunning, super green and lush. Weather changes on a dime. This beach is beautiful.
Right.
So far, so good.
So the Koʻa Kea Hotel and Resort is beautiful. It's right on the edge of the Pacific here. Behind me you'll see it's very intimate and private, literally no more than 3 stories tall. You feel like you are very much in a very exclusive remote resort. That's really how Kauai feels. Behind me, the Pacific, lush, beautiful. Kauai, I think, is going to be one of the most lush islands that we're going to visit. Beautiful. One of the best things to do when you're staying at Koʻa Kea Hotel and Resort is to enjoy a Mai Tai at the very scenic swimming pool. The Mai Tais here are outstanding. Basically, pineapple juice, rum, light and dark with a little lime juice. They're perfect. And something that's really, really cool that Koakea does is actually provide you with your very own sandals. So you know if you go to hotels and you see they have the white slippers, well, this is their take on white slippers. Sandals for the property and the pool. Super cool, right? And I have big feet, so these look like the perfect size. But there are 2 pairs of sandals in each room. And they even say M for Mark. Wow.
We brought you the real deal, so just try to be careful with the tipsies.
Yeah, absolutely. Look at this. Okay, so these are the
Hurricane fries.
Oh my goodness,
red
that's
salt
so
chips.
much
Okay, wow, this is what I'm calling a lunch.
Oh my.
Holy
Mark, what did you do?
Okay, lunch has arrived at Koʻa Kea Hotel and Resort, and it is nothing short of delicious. The presentation, incredible. Starting with, because I'm a sucker for a potato, house-made red salt chips. Barbecue flavored, homemade, super crunchy. Outstanding. We have another potato member of the family. We are having hurricane fries, and these hurricane fries look like the bomb because they are gorgeous, covered in fresh herbs with what looks like a cheese fondue and a little bit of a balsamic. They look so good. Wow. These are really good because they're actually a really nice combination of sweet and savory. There's the saltiness, there's the herbiness, there's the cheese fondue, and then the sweet balsamic glaze. Really outstanding. What a lunch, right? And then we're gonna start pulling our chopsticks out because one of the things you have to absolutely have when you're in Hawaii, and here especially on Kauai, is a poke. So we're having tuna poke, which is beautiful. Look at this dish. It is gorgeous. Beautiful tuna, fresh, ruby red with avocado, scallion onions, what looks like a cream, and all kinds of vegetation from the ocean. Perfect. Delicious. And last but not least, we have the blackened ahi with soba noodles and fresh bright green edamame. Looks absolutely delicious. And we're gonna dig right in. And this is the perfect lunch. One of the things that I like to do when I travel is to just relax at the pool. And at Koʻa Kea Hotel and Resort, the ambiance is, it's inviting. It's inviting you to sit back and unwind, let the cares go, enjoy the pool, enjoy the serenity, and enjoy what is quite honestly, a delicious culinary scene. Ooh, the pool at Koʻa Kea Hotel and Resort is the perfect place to take a reprieve from the sun. You could literally enjoy its crystal clear waters with the beautiful sunshine, the swaying palm trees, the Pacific breeze, and complete serenity. Because one thing here that you will notice at the resort is that it is not only private, it is quiet, it is peaceful. It's just a really nice place to be, to relax, to unwind, and really embrace the Kauai spirit. The Palapa Bar is fabulous for lunch and drinks. As you saw, we had the most terrific lunch here. The Mai Tais are off the hook, terrific. The service is fabulous, and the fish doesn't get any fresher.
This is how we do.